నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు ARK Travelogue. మీరు చూసే జలపాతం పేరు చింతల మాదర వాటర్ ఫాల్స్. దీన్ని తిర్యాని జలపాతం అని కూడా అంటారు. ఒక డీటెయిల్డ్ వీలాగింగ్ వీడియో నేను తర్వాత పోస్ట్ చేస్తా. ఈ షార్ట్ వీడియో చూసి ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Welcome to Chintala Madara Waterfalls, also called as Tiryani Waterfalls. And this waterfall is around 320 kilometers from Hyderabad and around 60 kilometers from Manchiryal. It is a 6.5 hours drive from the capital city of Telangana. And the beauty of this place is you have a crystal clear blue water pool over here. So this is the second waterfall which has a crystal clear blue water. The other one is Kumuram Waterfalls, also called as Pulimadu Waterfall, situated in Etu Nagaram. So guys, I request everyone to enjoy the mother nature, but please don't litter here and throw the garbage. Let's have a very good time in the lap of the mother nature. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Stay tuned for a detailed video of this waterfall. I hope you enjoyed watching the short video. I'll be coming up with lot more interesting videos. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. The details are mentioned in the description window as well as at the end screen. I request everyone to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more video updates, and also please like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.